Hi, boys and girls. Please write your name at the top of your paper. This week we are working on the long vowel silent E pattern. And the vowel that we are working with is long O, as in ocean. We have our word box at the top of our page, and we have pictures that we need to match the words with the corresponding picture. Our first word is poke. Poke. You can see the pattern, one vowel, one consonant, and a silent E at the end. Our next word is hose. Rose. Note. Globe. Cone. Slope. Road, and phone. Our first picture is a picture of a cone. K-O-N, cone. Please write cone underneath the picture of a cone. K-O-N, cone. And you can see here, boys and girls, that we have the long vowel silent E. Our next picture is a picture of a globe. G-O-O-B. G-O-O-B. Don't forget that silent E at the end. Our pattern is one vowel, one consonant, and a silent E at the end. And I like to cross off the word in my word box once I've used it. Then we have a picture of a hose. H-O-S, hose. H-O-S, hose. Long vowel, silent E. Our next picture is a picture of poke. Can you see her poke him in his arm? Poke. P-O-K. Poke. P-O-K. Poke. Our pattern is one vowel, one consonant, and a silent E at the end. I'm going to have you finish the rest of the paper on your own. Our next picture is a picture of a rose. Then we have a slope. A slope is like a small hill. Then we have phone, note, and road. When you're finished with this, go ahead and turn your paper over. All right, my friends, welcome to Third Time's a Charm. Please write your name at the top of your paper. We are working with the long vowel silent E pattern with long O, as in ocean. Our first word today is zone. Z-O-N, zone. Please write zone underneath number 1. And please write the gesture as well to show Mrs. Nimitz and Mrs. Stewart the long vowel silent E pattern. We'll write zone 2 more times. Z-O-N. Z-O-N. Our next word is dose. D-O-S. Dose. I hear 3 sounds. D, O, S, dose. Please pause the video and write dose 2 more times. Okay, our next word is cone. K-O-N, cone. K-O-N, cone. I see one vowel, one consonant, and a silent E at the end for that long vowel silent E. Please pause the video and write cone 2 more times. Our next word is robe. Robe. R-O-B. Robe. R-O-B. Robe. Do you see the pattern? Long vowel, silent E. Please pause the video and write robe 2 more times. Our next word is going to be nose. We smell with our nose. N-O-S, nose. N-O-S, nose. One vowel, one consonant, silent E at the end. Please pause the video and write nose 2 more times. Our next word is home. H-O-M, home. I'm not going to write home, but I want you to write home 3 times underneath number 6. H-O-M, home. Please pause the video and write home 3 times underneath number 6. All right, number 7, we're going to do joke. J-O-K, joke. J-O-K, joke. Long vowel, silent E. That silent E makes that vowel say its name, joke. Number 8, we're going to do the word spoke. S-P-O-K, spoke. I hear 4 sounds in the word spoke. S-P-O-K, spoke. We have that silent E at the end that is not pronounced. All right, our next word is the word note. N-O-T, note. Please write note underneath number 9 3 times. Pause the video when you're finished with number 9. It is note. N-O-T. And our very last word is globe. G-L-O-B. Globe. I hear 4 sounds in globe. G-L-O-B. Globe. Long vowel, silent E. Please pause the video and write globe 2 more times. All right, when you are finished with 3rd time's a charm, please turn it into the top basket and move on to Lexia for Free Time Friday. Way to go, you did great.